Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can join a Discord server, for example, on your desktop computer. So let us guide you through this. Launch Discord, for example, via a web browser and log into your account. And here on the left panel, guys, you will see a list of all servers you have already joined. If you haven't done that yet, you may join a server anytime. For example, public servers by clicking into Add a Server here. Now you can create your own server, of course, if you like, guys, but if you don't want to do this, you may, for example, join a server here at the bottom. Click into it, and after that, you may, for example, use an invitation link you have been given by a contact of yours and enter it here to accept the invitation. If you haven't received any invitation and would like to join public servers that are publicly available, you may do that by simply clicking into this button here, don't have an invite. And last but not least, simply go through these categories here at the top, like science and tech or gaming. So let me go with the gaming Discord server. Go through that list. You may also use the search bar at the top to search for a specific server on Discord. Let me go, for example, let me go with, let's say Roblox. Click into it. And last but not least, find the join button. You will find it usually here at the top. Here, as you can see, join. Click into it. And that's basically it. Now, some channels or some servers may go or require from new members to go through a short verification process or to read through the do's and don'ts and guidelines and rules of the given server. So make sure that you confirm that you have read these do's and don'ts. And yeah, go through that short setup, click into next here, through a short customization. These setups may of course vary depending on the given Discord server type. And last but not least, confirm that you want to join the given server, read through the rules, click into finish. And that's it. Now you have officially joined the given server. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, I have now officially joined the given server, but to unlock features like posting in the given server, it may be necessary in some cases to verify that you're a human, for example. As you can see, I'm not verified yet, so in some cases it may be necessary to go through a short verification process, so make sure that you follow these instructions. These may vary, of course, depending on a given server type. And you will find the server you have just joined here in the top left corner in that list of servers so that you may navigate through your servers. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.